Drop the knife! One at gunpoint, here's a knife. Drop the knife! Do it now! Drop the knife! Drop it! On the ground, drop the knife, now! Drop the knife. I don't want to hurt you. Please drop the knife! Jeremy, drop the knife! Drop the knife, man! Man, drop the knife, please. Jeremy, drop the knife. Drop it! Jeremy, drop the knife. Jeremy, please drop the knife. Listen, man, drop the knife. I do not want to hurt you. Drop the knife. Please do it now. Drop the knife. Jeremy, listen to me. Listen to me. You don't want to do this, man. Drop the knife. Do it now. Drop it. Drop the knife, man. Drop the knife, man. Drop the knife. Jeremy, there are tons of options. You drop the knife. Drop the knife. Do it now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Jeremy, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, man. Do it now. Drop the knife. Jeremy, listen to me, man. Listen. You drop the knife. Do it now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife, Jeremy. Drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Do it now. Drop the knife.
I'm going to try a taser. Drop the knife, man!
329 print me. CSU has one at gunpoint. Prospect, about 500 east. Correction west. Please drop the weapon! Do it now! Drop the knife! Okay, deploy. Bravo 329, shots fired. I'm coming around.
Drop the knife, man!
329, we are at Prospect and Whitcomb. Blue shot away. Officers are okay.